Fitting the car seat in Group 1. To proceed with the installation, unfasten the harnesses, pushing the red button of the buckle, remove the reducer by releasing it through the red belt guides. Remove the lining of the backrest. Make the diagonal section of the seat belt pass between the headrest and the backrest. Fit the 3-point belt in the belt slot, making it come out from the opposite slot. Fasten the car safety belt in the buckle, so that both the waist and the diagonal sections of the belt pass on the red belt guide. Replace the lining and pull the car safety belt firmly, ensuring that the car seat adheres correctly to the vehicle seat. Fit the reducer by fastening the holes to the diagonal belt guides. To seat the child, proceed as following. Join the 2 harness straps and click them into the buckle. Use the adjustment knob to adjust the height of the headrest so as to allow the harness straps to come out at the height of the child's shoulders. To tighten the restraining harnesses of the child car seat, pull the adjustment strap until it is correctly fitted to the child's body. Changing the configuration of the child car seat from Group 1 to Group 2 or 3 is very simple. It is necessary to proceed as follows. Release the child car seat harnesses from the buckle. Turn the knob to raise the headrest as much as possible. Remove the lining of the backrest. Unfasten the flap located on the backrest. Let it pass the integrated harness straps under the diagonal red belt guides. Push the shoulder pads, the harnesses, and their ends through the holes. Fit the flap located on the backrest and fix the lining to the structure. Release the buckle from the crotch strap protection and fit it in the compartment below it. Fix the crotch strap protection in the same hole. Now you can proceed with car seat installation. Pass the diagonal section of the seat belt behind the headrest and through the related red belt guide. Place the child carefully into the car seat, checking that his back is correctly fitted together with the backrest. Fasten the car seat belt into the buckle so that both the waist and the diagonal sections of the belt pass in the red belt guide. When adjusting the headrest, check that the position of the diagonal seat belt guide is positioned over the shoulder at a distance of no more than 2 centimeters. Pull the diagonal car safety belt towards the retractor to ensure that the belt is tight and properly fitted over the child's legs and chest. The car seat can be reclined. To recline it, use the handle and slightly lift the car seat to pass to the reclined position. The car seat's fabric lining can be removed and cleaned by hand or in a washing machine at 30 degrees. You have to release the child car seat harnesses from the buckle. Remove the lining from the headrest. Remove the covers over the headrest. Detach the Velcro strips. Start removing the lining from the upper part of the child car seat. Remove the flap located on the backrest. Release the buckle. Detach the Velcro strips. Release the elastic straps under the seat.